Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a makeup routine that is super simple and beginner friendly. So before that makeup, I have prepped my skin with the toner and moisturizer and the sunscreen. So yeah, now it's a time for the primer. For the primer, I have two options, Insights one and the Blue Heaven one. Today I'm going to use Insights one. It helps to blur the pores and smooth out the texture and keeps the makeup in place all day. Now I'm using Insights की ही color corrector palette. So if you are someone जिसके मेरे जैसे बहुत extreme dark circles हैं, so you definitely need to use a color corrector palette. So yeah, I'm using orange one. You basically need peachy सा color, so I'm using orange पहले and then इसके ऊपर I will apply my concealer. So I have two concealer options. Swiss Beauty one is really good, but it does not match my skin tone. So I'm going with the Maybelline one. You can definitely go with the Swiss Beauty if you can match your shade. Now I will blend it out using a beauty blender जिसकी हालत थोड़ी खस्ता है. And I am using setting spray on the beauty blender. ये help करता है, थोड़ा सा smooth कर देते हैं सारी चीज़ों को, अपने हमारे मेकअप को. So yeah, basically I'm using that so that ये blend अच्छे से हो and make sure जो भी concealer आपने नीचे apply किया है वही ऊपर eyes मतलब upper eyes में भी use होगा. So make sure कि आप सही amount में या सही quantity में apply करें concealer को. गाइज इट इज़ रेनिंग आउटसाइड और मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा पास में बैठी हूँ अपनी बालकनी के एंड यहाँ से इतना सूदिंग लग रहा है. बारिश, गर्ल्स थेरेपी और क्या ही चाहिए. Now for the foundation, I'm going with the light to medium coverage wala foundation, just something to even out the skin tone. You can definitely go with skin tint or something like that, and I like to use this dot wala method to apply my foundation. And obviously I will be blending out with blender, and I have repeated that setting spray wala step so that ये again मेरा foundation भी अच्छे से set हो. Okay, I have hooded eyes, so this is the most important step in my whole makeup for real. It helps to avoid creasing या फिर वो केकी वाला जो लुक आ जाता है मेकअप में काफ़ी लोगों के, वो चीज़ नहीं होती है. You can also go with translucent powder. Insights का मैंने सुना है बनाना पाउडर भी अच्छा है. So yeah, I will link एक दो अच्छे वाले translucent powder जो कि affordable भी होंगे. You can go with that, and ये नायका का face powder भी I would recommend, अच्छा ही है. Now this blush, I don't know why ये इतना underrated है. This is again from Insights, and I'm using pinkish shade on my cheeks and a little on nose too for that sun-kissed effect. You can see कितना प्यारा सा pink सा shade है, and I'm going to blend it using my fingers only, as you can see in the video. So yeah, you can definitely check this out. ये थोड़ा सा बस टाइम लेता है blend होने, but results काफ़ी सही देता है. So yeah, you can check it out if you are someone looking for an affordable blush. I don't know उस टाइम मेरे दिमाग में क्या आया. I tried bronzing my face for the very first time using that same Insights वाली color corrector palette. As you can see, to be honest, I never felt like bronzing my face due to the jawline maybe or the slimness that my face have. So yeah, I tried it for the very first time. You can ignore this step if you are really a beginner, and I don't think so मैंने अच्छे से किया भी था. And I also, tried to sharpen my nose. Now for the eyeliner, I use this one, but you can definitely go with Lakme का eyeliner आता है कुछ 50 रुपए का. I would tag it. And for the mascara, I'm using Maybelline Sky High mascara. It really opens up my eyes. For the highlighter, I have Insights का highlighter again. This is very affordable. I'm going to use it on the high points of the face like cheeks, bone, nose, and the forehead, as you can see in the video. For that soft glow, I usually use it on the inner corners of my eyes, but today I have not used it because ऐसे ही मूड नहीं था. Now for the lips, I'm using face powder पहले, क्योंकि उससे जो भी lip shade या lip combo होता है वो ज़्यादा अच्छे से निकलता है. And then I'm using lip liner which is from Swiss Beauty again. Yeah, most of my products are from Swiss Beauty or Insights, never mind. And then this is how it is looking. Then I'm using Mars का Candylicious वाला lip gloss which is in cola shade, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, this is in cola shade. नाउ ये मेरे को लास्ट में याद आया क्योंकि मैंने ब्राउजिंग करी थी तो मैंने थोड़ा सा फेस पाउडर वहाँ नीचे की साइड यूज़ किया अपनी चीक्स बोन पे. And this is the final look. Our makeup is done. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what look you want to see me next. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. I will see you soon.